I am going to show you now how my curls turned out from sleeping in it overnight. So I've gone ahead and done my makeup and gotten dressed, but let me just walk around real quick and you can see this is after sleeping in it. And really there's only one piece of hair that came out that I could always bobby pin back in, but it's actually like, it's a cute hairdo to wear up and out. Also, we have a bling wrap that has on this flat part of the band here has little bling, you know, rhinestones on it. Super cute. And then the rest is black. So if you are in love with this hairdo, just as a hairstyle, you could totally wear it out on the town with the bling one. Super cute. But anyway, I've got my baby here. You need help with the dinosaur? Yeah. There, I'm closing it. Okay, so I just want to show you, it obviously will take less time without me trying to talk you through how to unwrap it. Did you get his teeth open? Okay, sorry, mom lied. There you go. Oh, you want to, okay. Okay, so the biggest thing with unwrapping this, sorry, my camera's taking a while to focus, is you want to start in the back center where you ended. So you do not want to try to unwrap from up here. Your hair is going to get super tangled. You don't want to have to cut the band or cut your hair to get it out. So do not start unwrapping it from the front. You always start from the back in the center. So I will turn around and show you on mine. And you know, I never even watched the video last night to make sure that I was in camera when I turned around. So hopefully you all saw me and what I was doing. But here's the back. I just kind of go like this to find my two ends where I wrapped here and where I wrapped here. And then I take out my bobby pins. And I'll just do one side at a time. And you just kind of stick your finger and loosen up to find, oh, there's another bobby pin in there. To find the end. And you just unwrap it one wrap at a time. Like so. And you see the curls? Like this. So each, you're basically unwrapping it the opposite of how you wrapped it. Just one wrap at a time. Okay. So there's one side, and now I'm going to take out the bobby pins on the other side. And you find the ends in there so that you can start unwrapping it loop by loop. Hold on, Bubba. I'm doing a live video now. Okay. So here we have this. So how many of you have little girls who love to have their hair curled, but trying to curl their hair before school is like a nightmare and doesn't happen? Or how about a tween girl who is wanting to curl her hair, but isn't thrilled about the fact that she'll probably burn herself on her neck or on her fingers? This is a great alternative because it's so quick to unwrap and your curls are set for the day. So you take, you know, 5 minutes to wrap it up the night before, sleep in it, and then unwrap it, and you have these amazing curls. So it's super quick for the morning of if you have to wake up really early and you don't want to spend time curling your hair, but you'd love to have your hair done. This is awesome for that too. Like when I first discovered that my friend invented these, hold on, Bubba, I had 3 little babies. Like my oldest was 3 and I had a baby. So I had 3 kids in less than 3 years. And I was sick of always wearing my hair up in a mom bun. I was like, I want to curl my hair, but I don't have time. I mean, my youngest now, my 4th is 2.5, and he's still time demanding. It's hard for me to do live videos when he's awake and around because he needs a lot. Imagine having 3 of those. It was insane. So this was a total lifesaver for me. It allowed me to make it to church with a 40-minute drive. We were living out in Texas, kind of middle of nowhere, and trying to get all my kids ready and myself ready. this Savvy Curls made it possible. So anyway, that's it. You can style, you know, pull it half up if you want for a cute little updo, but if done right, where your hair is fully dry, when you unwrap it and you've put curling mousse in, your curls should last longer than a curling iron or a curling wand, because trust me, I have tried it all. My hair does not hold curl for very long. So I love this. Anyway, that's it. I don't know if you want to see it again. Super easy, super fast. I say time saving, but yes, you do have to keep your hair wrapped up in it for a while. So it does require a little bit of planning ahead. But as long as you're planning ahead, the time in and of itself to curl it is amazing.